dapat malayo eh. Malapit na yan,
malapit
lalapit
tayo,
din niya.
ano?
O, di lumapit
Nay.
tayo.
Ay!
Hindi ko lang sa, sa trabaho na eh. Kasi, Father's Day.
Oo nga, Father's Day ngayon. Happy Father's Day, Kuya.
Busy.
Thank you.
O, sa mga,
Sa mga tatay dyan, happy
Pag
birthday.
makita-
Happy birthday.
makikita
Happy
ni,
Father's Day sa mga tatay.
Patiin na rin natin sila. Yung mga,
oh, belated
kay
na.
Kuya.
Belated happy, Father's
Ay.
Day. Happy Father's Day, belated.
Related.
Kami
Happy
first,
birthday, Nanay.
Nay, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Nay.
Sana mag-enjoy ka sa birthday mo.
Advance happy birthday.
Hindi, ngayon birthday niya.
Ngayon?
Makikita. Oo. Ngayon, birthday niya.
Oo nga pala.
22nd.
Yeah,
Oo.
sa 22. Pero syempre, papalabas ito, birthday niya mismo.
Okay.
nasabi na advance. Siyempre, palalabas ni Arcea.
Bahala ka na mag-edit, Arcea. My dearest sister. Bahala ka nang mag-edit ito.
Oo nga.
Kasi, nag-ano kami, si Percy. Come here,
Percy, come here.
Percy. No.
Enjoy your birthday, Nanay.
Enjoy your birthday, Nay.
Ingat ka lagi dyan, Nanay. I love you.
Opo, Nay. At saka, huwag kayong titigil mangarap kahit na
Libre naman yun.
kahit na 41 pa lang kayo. Mangarap pa rin kayo, Nay. At saka, para lagi kayong may nilulbat. Ano yung nilulok forward? Lagi kayong merong
Pag-asa.
Tinitignan
tinitignan
sa likod.
sa hinaharap. Nay, tingnan mo, sumexy kami ni Sarah.
Ayoko na lumapakita. Alam na naman ni Nanay. Ayoko na
Alam niyo
napapakita.
ba, masarap palang magluto ito. Tapos, biniblame namin yung tinanggal na yung gallbladder stone namin eh.
Kaya tumaba kami ganito, Nanay ko. Hindi, wala nang pag-asa mag-ulasat.
Happy birthday, Nanay! Happy birthday, Nanay!
Happy birthday, Nanay.
Happy birthday, Nanay. Ay,
Happy
Okay, happy birthday to you muna.
to you.
Happy
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Nanay. Happy birthday to you.
Nanay, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Nanay. We love you.
Love you.
Enjoy your birthday, Nay.
Nay, happy birthday na ya.
Lagi kayo mag-ingat dyan.
Yeah.
Pero,
Iksian na lang namin yung ano namin ngayon kasi ayaw ma-send yung isa eh.
Happy birthday.
ang ganda pa naman nung una, Nay.
Yeah.
Ang dami namin ano doon. Basta ingat kayo lagi.
We love you all.
Love you all.
Huwag kayo titigil sa pangarap na. Yung sabi ko kanina.
Harap.
Oo, para may nilook forward siya.
Oh,
Ah,
look forward.
diba?
Okay.
Ganun talaga. Para laging may inspirasyon. Si Percy Nay, laging kinakausap. Sabi ko, 30 years pa, hintayin niya kami.
Talaga.
Ito tayo, thunder na eh.
Yeah.
14
Happy
years
birthday,
old na siya
Nay.
na. Ingat kayo lagi.
Enjoy
Okay.
your day.
We love you all.
Yeah.
Bye. Hindi na namin habaan kasi baka hindi na naman masend.
Hindi na masend na. Ang ganda pa naman nung una.
Okay. Take 2 ulit mamaya.
Yeah.
Bye-bye. Love you. I love you, Nanay. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Bye-bye.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Nanay. Happy birthday, Nay. More birthdays to come. Always good health. I love you and I miss you, Nay. I love you so much.
Happy birthday po, Nanay. God bless you po. Enjoy your day. Ingatan niyo po lagi yung sarili niyo. Love you po. Happy birthday. Mwah!
Love you, Nay. Happy birthday. Sana marami pang birthday ang ano sa'yo. Ingatan mo parati ang sarili mo. Mahal na mahal ka namin. Ikaw ang nanay na pinakamabait na nanay, pinakamabait na lola. Sa lahat, maraming salamat nanay. Ikaw ang naging nanay namin. I love you, Nay. Ingat ka parati. We love you.
Blow the candle.
Oh, happy birthday.
Happy birthday po,
Happy birthday, Nay!
Ingat ka parati, nanay. Love you.
Love you.
Love you, Nay.
Hi, Nay. Happy birthday po. Wishing you a good health po as always. Love you, Nay. Happy birthday po ulit.
Mahal pa rin. Ingatan ka.
Hi, my nanay. Happy birthday. I love you.
Ang pag-asa sa ating mundo ay gagabay sa'yo.
Hello. Hi, Nay. Nay. Happy birthday sa inyo, Nay. I love you. Pasensya na, Nay. Hindi po na ako makakarating itong birthday niya itong taon na ito. Pero babawi na ako, Nay. Babawi ako sa inyo. Nay, ingat kayo, Nay, parate. Alam ko naman, Nay, na hindi kayo pababayaan ng mga kapatid ko dyan. I love you, Nay. Happy birthday ulit sa inyo, Nay. Mahal na mahal ko kayo, Nay. Lahat kayo magkakapatid. Pamangkin nyo, mga apo nyo, mga ano nyo, mahal na mahal kayo, Nay. Number 1 kayo, Nay. Kayo lang nakita ko na sobrang bait at sobrang pagmahal. Kaya love you, Nay. Love you, miss you. Lahat kayo mga kapatid ko, love you. Mga anak ko, love you. Mga pamangkin, mga bayaw, ingat kayo parati lahat. I love you sa inyo lahat. Lalo na sa inyo, Nay. Love you, miss you. I miss you lahat sa inyo. I love you. Ingat kayo lahat parati. I love you. Happy birthday ulit, Nay. Happy birthday. Love you, Nay. Bye.
Pagmamahal ko may nagmamahal aakay sa'yo.
Happy birthday, Nay. And more birthday to come. I love you. Ingat ka parati. Pag wala kami, kumain kang mabuti. I love you. Happy birthday.
Ingatan ka, aalagaan ka. Sa puso ko, ikaw ang
Happy birthday, Nanay. We love you so much. And thank you for everything. Happy birthday, Auntie Ami. We love you.
may nagmamahal aakay sa'yo. Aking inay.
Happy birthday, Nay. Happy birthday, Mami.
Happy birthday po, Nay. Happy birthday din po, Mami.
Happy birthday po, Nay. Happy birthday po, Mami.
God bless.
Yes.
More birthday to come.
More birthday to come din po.
We love you.
We love you.
Love you, Nanay. Love you, Mami.
Love you.
I've made up my mind.
Hello, Nay. Happy birthday. Sorry wala ako ngayon dyan. Lagi mong iningatan yung sarili mo. I I miss you. I love you, Nay. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Nina. Take care. Love you.
So I'll just live my life in dreams of yesterday.
Happy birthday, Nay. Love you, miss you.
That we once knew.
Happy birthday, Nanay. We pray that God grant you good health, happiness, strength, many more birthdays to come. We love you. Ingat ka palagi.
Hi, my nanay! Happy birthday! We love you!
Broken heart, but time has stood still.
Happy birthday, nanay! Happy birthday, mommy! We love you and God bless!
I made up my mind.
Hey, Lola! Happy birthday, Lola! Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Lola!
We wish you all the happiness and good health, po.
We miss you and love you. You're always in our prayers.
Love you, Lola.
Love you. Blah.
So I'll just live my life in dreams of yesterday.
Hi, Nai. Happy birthday. Miss and love you. Hopefully see you soon.
Birthday, Nanay! Wishing you a good health, Nay, and more birthday to come. Happy birthday, Nay, and happy birthday din pala kay mama ko.
Happy birthday, mommy!
Happy birthday, Mommy.
Happy birthday, Mommy.
We love you.
We love you po!
Time has stood still.
Hello? Hello? Huh? Nay? Nay? Ikaw yan? Nay? Nay? Hello? Hello? Wait, can you check this? Oh. Hello? Hello? Nay? Nay? Is that you? Wow! Wow! Nay, happy birthday! I love you. Happy birthday, Nay! Is that birthday, Nanay? Nay? Nay! Happy birthday! Wow! It's your birthday! Uncle John! Ano masasabi mo?
Happy 38th birthday, Nay, and happy 46th birthday, Ate Ami.
Yeah? Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Nay!
Happy birthday, Nay!
Love you, Nay! Happy birthday!
I love you, Mommy!
Love you! Love you,
Maya! Bye-bye! Happy birthday! Love you too!
I love you, Nanay! Happy birthday!
Touch me once again and remember when there was no.
Happy birthday, Nay. Love and miss you. I hope you enjoy your very special day, and I hope to see you soon.
Don't go, you know you break my heart. She won't.
Happy birthday, Nanay and Mommy.
We wish you good health and more birthdays to come. We love you.
Love you.
Happy birthday to me.
We love you. God bless.
More birthdays to come.
Nanay, sana lagi kang malakas. Ikaw, Ami, yung diabetes mo, ayusin mo. I love you, Nay.
Love you, Nay.
We love you,
Nakakita namin.
We love you. Happy birthday. As if you never hold me.
Hi, Nai. I just want to say happy birthday. Love you and I miss you.
Believe in me. I will make you see all the things that your heart.
Happy birthday, Nanay. Love you, miss you, hope to see you soon.
For you, here inside my heart, I'm the one who wants to love.
Nanay. Happy birthday, Nay. Love you. Dito ako sa airport. Gawin na ako. Bye.
The one to love you more.
Hi, Nay! Nagustuhan mo ba yung sayo ko? Happy birthday, Nanay! I love you! Mahal na mahal kita! Ay, sandali! May humahabol! Dali mo, Josie! Dali!
Malapit na, yan na. Andyan na ako. Andyan na, 2 minutes. Andyan na, andyan na. Hi, Nanay. Happy birthday. I love you. Ingat ka palagi.
Bonus! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Nanay. We love you.